Sometimes you want to go where the air is always free.
So, who remembers Victor, the Alchemist? I still have nightmares about that black powder incident.
Nightmares? I call it a learning experience. Every explosion was a lesson in creativity.
Remember when he tried to prove black powder was safe? I swear I thought we were toast.
You mean when you dove behind that barrel? I thought you were trying to hide from the truth.
I had to clean up that mess for days. Never thought I'd be scrubbing soot off the ceiling.
Soot? I thought those were just the remnants of your last magical mishap.
And let's not forget the fireball incident. I thought we were going to end up as dragon food.
I just remember running in circles. Was I chasing the flames or the cats? I still can't tell.
You have to admit, he was brilliant, albeit completely unhinged. Who else concocts a fireball potion that explodes on impact?
A genius, yes. But let's not ignore his lack of safety protocols. I mean, who does that?
To Victor, may his experiments always be a little less explosive.
And may I never have to scrub soot off my ceiling again.
What was that? Another experiment gone wrong?
It's probably just Thorbold's cooking again.
Guess we better check that out. Adventure never ends, does it?
As long as there's no more black powder involved.
You wanna be where everybody drinks for free.